Hey, how are you? I'm Brandon Teptinos from ElektraLite. I'm the National Sales Manager. We're here at InfoComm in Orlando, and we have a couple of new products that we want to show you guys. There are additions to a current line that we already have, our miniature Stingray line, which has been really, really good for us. We've done a lot in the house of worship market, amusement parks, museums, things like that. And the thing that we wanted to do is we wanted to shake it up a little bit. So where we have the original mini line right here, so we have our little 20-watt version, we have the 60-watt version. What we decided is we needed an outdoor version. So the outdoor version we designed with amusement parks in mind, outdoor amphitheaters, things like that, where sometimes a full-size fixture just really isn't going to cut it. You need something that you can maybe hide a little bit, but you do need it to be weather resistant. So we made a 20-watt version, and the outdoor version of that is actually 30-watt, and it has a really cool lensing system. So you have your zoom and your focus right on the actual fixture. So it eliminates any lensing options that you may need. It's all built into it. But you know what? The little guys are fun and all, but sometimes you need something with a little bit more oomph, and you need something with some color. So we actually designed, if we walk down over here, the 80-watt version. So once again, it's fully IP65 rated. You have all your traditional ellipsoidal features like shutters, you have your gel frame and everything, but this one, like the other one, has your zoom and focus built in right there. With two different lensing options. So we have a 15 to 30 degree and we have a 25 to 50 degree lensing option. These guys are brand new, showing them off for the first time today at InfoComm, and if you need to check them out, they will be up on our website at myelectralite.com, but you can contact me through the website. My name is Brandon, and we'll see you guys later.